driving everything. I see many, many good sustainable ideas die on the engineering table because the engineers won't change the standards.
So I'm going to let Kim say most of this thing, but you're right. You're absolutely right. We need to change the way the engineering fraternity is looking at stormwater specifically. But I just want to say one thing before Kim will provide you all the details, and he's going to probably talk about the water balance model.
You can try that.
But I'm the chair of the water balance model, and I work in agriculture. And always people ask me, like, why are you the chair of the water balance model? And I said, well, because I heard about this tool through Kim, and with Kim and others, I was sort of instrumental in developing it. And the reason is this: the way we develop the land, which is usually uplands, because we don't like putting houses in floodplains, we develop in the uplands, we don't do good stormwater management practices. And where does that water end up? It ends up on the lowlands. It ends up on the agricultural lands. And farmers are saying, it's not the big storms. The big storms come and go, they go through and they're gone. It's all these little storms, and all that water that's up there comes down, and it's just enough that we can't get on our land, we can't harvest our crops, we can't plant our crops. It's affecting the way we're trying to manage agriculture. So we need to change the way we're doing things in the uplands, in the development. We need to change the ways we're doing things in agriculture as well. And it's about replenishing the groundwater, taking all these little storms where most of our water comes and putting it back into the ground, just the things that you're talking about and doing, right? Put it back into the ground, replenish our groundwater, replenish the stream flows later in the summer, so we in agriculture can get water out of the streams to irrigate our crops with, right? And not have